One of the differences between a photo and a painting is that a painting has a chosen color scheme and a photo has a random one. Whether you paint in Adobe Photoshop or Corel Painter, using color schemes will give your paintings that certain something extra. In the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers, we study art through the centuries and how artists incorporated color schemes in their paintings to give you ideas for when you turn photos into paintings. For instance, for this painting I did in Photoshop, I used these paintings by Monet for my inspiration for choosing color schemes. I also used these paintings as my inspiration for painting flowers and painted my painting with custom brushes I created that are available to members of the Artistry Academy. Join us at the Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers and find out how to use color schemes to take your paintings based on photos to the next level. Happy painting!